Everyday people making an impact. Local Heroes, sponsored by Spud Software.
A 28-year-old from Fenton could be one of the people opening the door to a possible cure of some cancers. We introduced you to this unassuming fan of nature and science a couple of weeks ago. And after doing our own research, we made some discoveries of our own. She is our local hero tonight.
But all I can say is, like, science rocks.
She is an enthusiastic young woman who grew up in Fenton.
I mean, I was creative, and I was always in nature. I was always trying to ask questions and discover. They say I had a curious mind.
That curiosity led Bridget to make a pretty big discovery by accident through the lens of a new high-tech microscope in a class at Central Michigan University. Bridget is a graduate student focusing on biochemistry and cell and molecular biology.
While I was using the confocal microscope, I saw a fluorescent pattern that I had never seen before and had actually never been documented in the organism that I'm studying.
Her findings uncover the cell structures are found in humans too.
Hopefully, because of this discovery, we can use dictyostelium, which is the organism that I work with, as a model for microsome research. If it's true that cancer cells utilize these microsomes to help them survive and metastasize inside the body, then they're promising future therapeutic targets.
Bridget's love for science isn't part of a family legacy, but Grandma, Mom, and Dad know her future looks bright, and she could be one of the scientists who finally breaks cancer's devastating code.
I'm quite proud. She's really worked hard, and she's spent a lot of time both on her grades and in the research lab, and so it's really, there's nothing that's stopping her from doing bigger and better things.
If Bridget can help answer some important scientific questions through her education and research, she could provide valuable insight into how cancer cells use microsomes, which could make it easier to target and destroy those destructive cells. Bridget calls her work a privilege.
And to know that this could be meaningful for someone in the future means a lot to me. And honestly, I can't believe that it all kind of happened on accident.
Bridget is delightful. Her advice to budding scientists and others is to ask questions. Let your curiosity grow and don't let anything hold you back. Next up for her is more research with the help of the new Advanced Imaging Microscope awarded to CMU through the National Science Foundation. Send us an email to localheroes@midmichigannow.com or send me an email to sdaskalakis@sbgtv.com and tell us about local heroes in our Mid-Michigan communities. Crime Stoppers of Flint and Genesee County, along with Friends of Burston, are hosting a special back-to-school event for families. The Share or Safety, Health, Access, Resources, and Education Fair is